Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the thermistor in the Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take us a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermistor. The thermistor installed at the bottom rear of the outer tub senses the water temperature inside the tub and corresponds this data to the main control board. The faulty thermistor will cause a wrong temperature level inside the tub during the wash or rinse cycles. To open the door, we push down that little tab and it just gets open. So now we're going to need to take this off the hinges, pressing the hinge in, door comes off. Remove the pump drain hose from the retainer. To avoid the mess, I suggest you to put a towel on the floor. Then we're going to use a container to collect the water from this drain hose. Pull out the cap and drain the water. All right, now I think we can cap off this drain hose. And we don't need a towel anymore, we can take it off. Place the pump drain hose into the retainer. Make sure it's not going anywhere. And this is the time for the door to go back on. Install one hinge at a time. Push it in. And then just close the door. We need to remove this rear access panel. It's held in place by two Phillips screws. So we're going to start putting on the gloves first. You know what, guys, I am not working all the time in the gloves, but I just want to point out that if you see me putting the gloves on, that means we're going to work with the sharp objects, like this panel. And I remove the Phillips screws. So now we can lift the rear access panel up and take it out. Open the retainer and remove that connector plug. Then we're going to push down the tab on one side and pull it apart. Next we're going to pull out the thermistor. Hopefully we drain all the water out. And I use the flat blade screwdriver. See if we can pry it out. This is the old thermistor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Make sure that the seal is in. One drop of liquid soap will help us to install it without any problem. And then we're going to just push it in, connect the plug, match the shapes, and place it into the retainer. Next, we can install the rear access panel. First, we're going to align those two tabs on the top with two slots, then push it up, and the bottom tab goes in, and then we can push it down. Two Phillips screws on the sides. We're going to secure the access panel to the cabinet. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. for any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.